Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Done For You affiliate funnel video, I'd like to share with you a seven-figure earners proven system. And we are going to give you a Done For You affiliate funnel, which is perfect for beginners. So if you haven't made your first dollar online yet, or you're struggling to make consistent and a growing monthly recurring income online, this is perfect for you. And you can also, if you're not a beginner, you can add additional income streams to your portfolio. I'm going to go and show you some proof later on of the income, and I'm going to show you how you can scale up later on to earn thousands of dollars with multiple income streams. So first of all, let's just take a look at the funnel itself. And this is the title here, The Effortless Way to Massive Sales. And it's a series of step-by-step, beginner-friendly tutorials. This is Jeff Amen in the bottom left-hand corner. And I've been working with Jeff Amen for probably a couple of years now. So I follow this system. I use his strategies, so that's how I know that they work. And I'll also show you some proof of commissions a bit later on that it works as well. So it's good to have a mentor and have someone to be able to follow. And what Jeff's done here, that's a proof video. Now, the next one, he will teach you about what he calls an amazing affiliate funnel. So this is a tutorial here that you can watch, and it's starting out with a product called the Click Engine. Now, the great thing about this funnel is that the products are in two evergreen niches. And if you're not familiar with evergreen niches, then what they are is they are products that and tools that everybody online needs to become successful. So you're promoting products that everyone needs, existing people online, thousands of new people that are coming online, regardless of what opportunity they join, they still need tools and traffic. So this is a brief overview of the tools. It's using the Leads Leap tools, which is what I personally use as well. So all you do is you click here to sign up for Leads Leap, and then you use the Leads Leap tools to set up the funnel and the lead capture page. Each of these tutorials are very beginner friendly, step by step. All you do is you watch the video, you pause it, you take action, you get everything set up. It's just a complete system done for you. So it teaches you how to create a lead capture page, a thank you page, and there's also a business plan and a strategy. And the next one here is where you join the Click Engine. Excuse me. So you click on there to join the Click Engine, and the Click Engine is $4.95 per month. These are the 14-day follow-ups, professionally written by a copyright and affiliate marketing expert called Cam Jennings. He's another six-figure earner. So you get a 14-day done-for-you follow-up message system. So everything's completely done for you. You don't have to worry about anything. And then all you do is here in this last video is put it all together and test it. So step by step, very, very simple. Jeff will even teach you how to drive traffic to this funnel as well. And then there's some other additional traffic sources under here. So traffic methods to fill your funnel with leads. So that's first of all, that's the funnel itself. Now let's have a look how we can scale things up. First of all, I want to show you some proof that you can earn monthly recurring commissions and get into profit with this system. So the Click Engine here. Now, if you look here with the Click Engine, you'll see that down the right-hand side in this column here, Well, first of all, you'll see that I've sold over $3,100 of products. Commissions, 1,472. It's actually 1,672 because I've earned $200 in bonus from Jeff Amon. Now you've got to bear in mind that I'm paying $5 a month for this product. $5 a month. So you get into profit. This is the secret, and not the secret. This is the key to getting into profit by promoting a product in an evergreen niche that everyone needs, but earning multiple income streams and monthly recurring income. I'll show you the multiple income streams now. So this is recurring income, 18 months in a row that referral's been paying, 10 months in a row, 4 months in a row, 18 months in a row. So you've got a high retention of members. Some of these are quite new, 11 months in a row. You've got a high retention of members. So you're starting every single month in profit. So you can scale up 14 months in a row, 4 months, 2. These are quite new, 13 months in a row. That's a new member. 5 months in a row, 9 months, 3 months, 5 months. Now, when I talk about multiple income streams, let me just show you a couple of things down here. So this is a yearly payment for $49. So you can get into profit faster. This is a $14.90 payment. This is a $49 payment. This is an $8.90. So this one here is a $94 payment, the Click Engine case study. So a referral has upgraded. You're just going to promote one link with the Click Engine, but it's got multiple income streams built into the funnel. And you can see here, this referral has decided to buy the Click Engine case study, which will help them build their business faster. And for you, that would be a $45 commission. Now, bearing in mind, you're paying $4.95 per month. So you can see there how that works. Now, Leads Leap is in the funnel. So you can earn Leads Leap commissions as well by promoting this funnel. Leads Leap total earnings here, $735. Another monthly recurring commission there. So you get into profit with Leads Leap. But I want to show you now you can really scale things up. So what I'm going to do is, that's the first stage of getting into profit. And then what you do, I'm going to go into my all-time here. I'm going to show you how we can really scale things up. Because I started with the Click Engine when I first joined Warrior Plus. So let me go into all-time here and show you how you can scale things up. So this is all-time in my Warrior Plus account. That's Barry Cross there. And if I come down here, 9,801 products sold, $9,000. Commissions, 4,776, plus $200 from Jeff Amon. So that's $4,976. So nearly $5,000 in commissions by following a simple done-for-you funnel and strategy. Now, what I do is I teach you in, in this video here, how to scale up. So this is how you can scale up and really earn thousands of dollars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this funnel here will be the link in the description. So you get started with this one here. This is how you get started. This is how I get started following this system. And then when you start to get into profit, I outline in this video here how to scale up and to earn thousands of dollars. I started with the Click Engine. I talk about it in the video. It's all on here. I talk about it in the video, how I started with the Click Engine, and I give you a simple 3-step strategy on how to earn thousands of dollars with these autopilot buyer traffic offers. And I even give you this page here. You can join the offers here. I'll pin this page here to the top comment below the video that you're watching now. And I even give you this page so you can boost your leads leap commissions. You can just copy and paste this share code. Excuse me, this one here. You can copy and paste this into Leads Leap. Video here teaches you how to do it. So we give you step-by-step tutorials on how to do everything. Everything's beginner friendly. Everything's one step at a time. The key thing is just to get started and just be consistent and take action every single day. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video on social media, and that will also help support the growth of my channel as well. So I'd really appreciate that. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. I'm currently doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of the content today, please leave those questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this page here. This page will be a link in the description, so you can get started following the tutorials. You can join Leads Leap, you can sign up for the Click Engine, get your 14-day newsletter, start driving traffic to that funnel, and then this one here, you can bookmark this page here and come back to this later on. When you get some profits with the first strategy, first system, you can follow this strategy here, and you can start to scale up a bit later on. Just take it one step at a time, but this is really sort of what I follow, and what works for me, and what works for my mentor Jeff Amon as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.